So I recently got sent out this memory saver tool for your vehicle, and today I'm going to explain how this works and show you how it works as well. But basically this is for when you guys are swapping out your car battery, the main battery, and if you want to save some of your presets in your car and not have your car do like a full reset, this will actually help you with that. So basically they give you a bunch of attachments here. This is going to get connected to an external 12-volt source. So we have both of our copper leads here and they're very secure. And then this has a little 12-volt connection. So it looks like the same thing as a cigarette lighter. So we're gonna go ahead and just attach these so we could use these wire clamps instead. So it's a very firm connection. And then you guys would connect these to the battery and then this to your OBD2 port. So let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So for most vehicles, the port is going to be right under your dash. So you can sort of see mine right there. So we're gonna go ahead and just plug this in. Then from there, it's pretty simple. You guys would connect this to your other battery. So you guys could even put the battery just right over here to the side, but it does have a super long cable. So you guys can put the battery on the outside of the vehicle. It might be a little better just to give you some more room in this area while you're working on your vehicle. But you guys will need to get another battery to temporarily give that enough power while you're doing the battery replacement for your car not to do a reset. So once again, this would just help you save things like radio presets, your clock, seat positions, memories for your seat positions, window initializations, and then ECU learned values. It's important to understand that this is not a car jumper. This is purely just to save the memory in your vehicle. So overall, very simple product to use. As a super long cable, all the connections are very easy to put together. And I could see this being a very useful tool for somebody that does a lot of work on their own car.